సత్యసాయి యూనివర్సిటీలో 40వ స్నాతకోత్సవం జరుగుతోంది. స్నాతకోత్సవంలో జస్టిస్ ఎన్వి రమణ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Worldly learning and spiritually learning. This philosophy radiates in this institution. It flown from our rich mythology and Vedic philosophy. The education philosophy is best encapsulated Kalidasa in saying, Purana Mithyana na sadhu sarvam. That means, decide it not to be good just because it is ours and ancient. Reject it not as bad because it is foreign and modern. Unquote. The Satyasai Institute of Higher Learning is one of a kind university built around a concept of modern Gurukula. The institution is modern in the sense that the information and the knowledge being imparted by the teachers to the students here is most contemporary and cutting edge in the respective fields. At the same time, it is also Gurukula, where the essence of Indian culture, values, and lifestyle is inculcated in the students while at the institution. This ensures all-round development and mental fortitude. I am glad to learn that Satyasai Institute of Higher Learning is taking a big step forward by planning a new research and development program, keeping in focus India's ancient treasure of knowledge as well as modern advance in research, technology, and interdisciplinary studies. The new research and development program planned by the Institute is designed with the above principles in mind. I am confident that this program will be another feather in the cap of the institution. Unfortunately, the modern education system tends to focus only on the utilitarian function of education. Such a system is not equipped to deal with the moral or spiritual function of education, which builds the character of students and allows them to develop a social consciousness and a sense of responsibility. True education is one which imbibes moral values and virtues of humility, discipline, selflessness, compassion, tolerance, forgiveness, and mutual respect. Education must elevate your character and broaden your thinking. It must enable you to take the right decisions when faced with the complexities of life. You will have to deal with people from different walks of life. You will have to deal with people that many occasions on challenging times of you. But be tolerant. Hold on to certain core values as you walk through this journey of life and experience all the richness it can offer you. I must state that all of you are extremely fortunate to be graduating from this great institution which keeps Sri Satya Sai Baba philosophy at the center of its own teachings and believes that the ending of teaching is character. Now, I would like to say a few words about the social responsibility of the educated, which has to be thought about carefully. As educated individuals, we have the responsibility to enrich the society. An essential part of this responsibility is to seek excellence to grow in knowledge, to propagate the same. You must educate all those around you and empower people, communities, and societies. Do not doubt your strength. With your skills and values, you can change the world for the better. Be active. Keep your eyes open and hold out your hand and help those in need. Don't be trapped in your own needs or wants. Look towards your family, your neighborhood, your village, community, and so on. If you start practicing this, you will soon be living in a better world free of conflicts and violence. As global citizens, it should be your endeavor to establish a progressive world. At this juncture, I am reminded the words of Sri Satya Sai. I quote, "Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world." Unquote. Baba's belief in the necessities and importance of prema or love dictates that you must contribute to society. We should not limit this prema only to human society, but should also extend it to the environment, to animals, and to the earth. Only then would prema truly be universal as taught by Baba. Prema is action in service. There is no greater proponent of service, no greater mentor to follow than Baba himself. Satya Sai means love, Satya Sai means service, Satya Sai means sacrifice. Be it education, medical care, providing clean drinking water, relief work, Baba has showed us the righteous path. This is the concept embodied in our cultural ethos of Vasudhaika Kutumbam. It is this principle of universal love for man that must push you to contribute to society and think of ways that you can serve others. Baba's life should be an inspiration to one and all. This ethos of service becomes even more relevant during emergencies. Consider what has happened all over the world over the past 2 years. The world has gone through unprecedented changes. The pandemic has exposed and highlighted deep-rooted vulnerabilities and has increased the inequalities in the society. In such times, selfless service is the need of the hour. I feel so encouraged by the fact this idea of service is still strong in the hearts and minds of the people. This is evident when people come together, including the students of this institution, to provide relief to those in need. I congratulate all of them. I am sure that my young friends who have graduated from this noble institution will keep up the flag of value-based education flying high and uphold the ideas of public good. I am also sure that these young people will take the message of true education imbibed here to every nook and corner of the world. To recall the words of German Protestant reformer Martin Luther, I quote, "The prosperity of a country depends not on its abundance of its revenues, nor on the strength of its fortifications, nor on the beauty of its public buildings, but it consists in the number of its cultivated citizens, in its men of education, enlightenment, and character," unquote. Yes, you get.
ఇవి ఇప్పటి వరకు అప్డేట్స్. కీప్ వాచింగ్ 99 టీవీ.